students, in the last video we discussed proof by induction technique, which was weak induction. In this video we will discuss another proof by induction technique, which is strong induction. How strong induction is different from weak induction? In case of weak mathematical induction, we assume that only P of k is true and we use that result to show that P of k plus 1 is also true. But in case of strong mathematical induction, we assume that our statement is true for every value of j, where j is varying from 1 to k, and then we use that result to show that P of k plus 1 is also true. We will do one example. In this example, we have to show that if n is any integer greater than 1, then either it is a prime number or it can be written as product of primes. So we will check it for n equal to 2. We know that 2 is a prime number, so P of 2 holds. Next, our inductive step is we are assuming that our statement is true for every value of j, where j is varying from 2 to k. It means either these numbers are prime numbers or they can be written as product of prime numbers. Next is we have to prove for P of k plus 1. That is, k plus 1 number can be a prime number or k plus 1 can be composite number. If k plus 1 number is prime number, then P of k plus 1 is true. Why? Because P of n states that every number is either prime number or can be written as product of prime. So here we are assuming that k plus 1 is prime, hence P of k plus 1 is true. In case k plus 1 is a composite number, then k plus 1 can be written as product of two numbers a and b such that a is greater than equal to 2, less than equal to b, and less than k plus 1. Because k plus 1 is non-prime number, hence it is equal to multiple of any two numbers which are less than k plus 1 but greater than equal to 2. So we can say that according to our hypothesis, P of A and P of B is true, because we have assumed that our condition is true for every value of j, where j is varying from 2 to k. Hence P of A is true, P of B is true. It means k plus 1 number is either a prime number or it can be written as product of two numbers which is either prime or they itself can be written as product of prime numbers. It means P of k plus 1 is true. Hence, by principle of strong induction, we can say our statement is true. Example is to show that every postage amount of 12 cents or more can be formed using only 4 and 5 cent stamps. First, we will do it with weak induction. So our base case is 12 because the amount is greater than equal to 12. Now 12 can be formed as 4 plus 4 plus 4. So it can be formed using 4 cents stamp. Now inductive hypothesis is that P of k is true. Now we have to show for k plus 1. If P of k uses a 4 cent stamp, then k plus 1 amount can be easily formed by replacing 4 stamp by 5 stamp. Suppose k is any value, it is using any 4 cent stamp, then k plus 1 can be easily formed by replacing this 4 cent stamp by 5 cent stamp. Second case is if P of k does not use a 4 cent stamp, it is using only 5 cent stamp, then in this case it will be using at least 3 5 cents stamp because the amount is greater than 12. So amount of greater than 12 can be found by at least 3 5 cent stamp. In that case, we can replace 3 5 cent stamps by 4 4 cent stamps, because if k is formed by this amount, then k plus 1 can be formed by this amount. So we can say that P of k plus 1 is also true. Hence, by principle of weak mathematical induction, our statement is true. Next, according to strong mathematical induction. In this, we will check for base case, that is 12, 13, 14, 15 can be easily formed using 4 cent and 5 cent stamps. Now inductive hypothesis is that it is true for every amount greater than equal to 12 up to k. Now we have to show it for p of k plus 1. In it, p of k plus 1 will be true when we will add a 4-cent stamp to p of k plus 1 minus 4. It means we are forming amount of k plus 1 by adding 4-cent stamp in the amount k minus 3. Now our statement is true for amount k minus 3 because we have assumed in our inductive step that statement is true for every amount greater than equal to 12 but less than k. So k minus 3 is less than k, hence our statement is true for k minus 3. So we can easily form k plus 1 amount by adding 4-cent stamp. So p of k plus 1 is also true. Hence, by principle of strong mathematical induction, our statement is true. So this ends this video. In the next video, we will discuss about structural induction.